back with me. Top of the morning. We are in beautiful Ubud. Look at this. Look at this hostel.
Oh, would you look at that?
Yeah, well...
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the car.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
Shit is gorgeous out here. But we have a lot planned for today. I'm about to get my 100 burpees in. Gotta stay looking good. And then I'll show you what the day has to hold. Let's get after it.
What you got for us? Package?
I just get my burpees straight.
That's fine. Deliver 100 burpees right there.
Hello.
And we're gonna hit the monkey forest first, after we eat breakfast, of course. Hopefully my equipment does not get stolen by these monkeys, but we're gonna get some good content. And if you stay at Ubud Rice Field House, you get the free brekkie. It looks good, I'm not gonna lie. It's making me hungry and I wasn't hungry. And we made it to Monkey Forest. I don't know, go ahead. I don't know how big this place is. I heard it's a decent amount of acres, but probably gonna walk around for about an hour. Got the camera out, so we're gonna get some good footage, some good flicks. Yeah, that's about it. All right, we made it in. This is the entrance. It's nice. It smells nice. Oh, you spy a monkey already?
Yeah.
Ooh, here. You can just hold it, like,
Yeah.
You don't have to think about where you're holding it, since it records everywhere.
Nice. He has like a number on his breast. He's L84. Hi, L84. Hi, I'm Lori.
It records in every direction.
Oh,
Yeah, it's Insta360, so
that's-
you can just hold it
that's crazy.
however you want and not think about it.
Cái năng người đâu cũng từ đại chế đủ. Con đầu đến tay làm na đi ngồi xe nhặt ngồi xuống.
Qua lên.
Để xuống.
They're like going crazy. Oh.
You ready?
I'm scared.
Get a Can I take the long route?
Yes, for sure. Safe is safe.
Now I'm gonna look at some art, whatever exhibition they have in here. Ooh. Eyes are crazy. I was not expecting this. I like these ones.
The green one? Yeah, me too.
This one is pretty awesome too. I would get something in like black and white that's kind of like that. Hanging in the house. Yeah, that does look cool. Oh, that's fire. I'm sure someone has that as a tattoo somewhere. It was like, what the hell is that? All these koi fish. Oh, you're not getting fed. Oh, they think they're about to be. Mm-hmm. Smile. With your teeth.
I know, I'm not able to act when the camera is in front of me. Okay. You're good.
I try.
Are you like also doing a lot of photographs in Canggu? Because there are a lot of influencers right there, right?
Yeah, but no, I haven't been doing it. But there are a lot of, I guess there's a lot of influencers.
Yeah. But why are you not doing it?
I don't know, that's just not my style.
Yeah.
I more just go with the flow.
Yeah, true.
And stuff like that. And whatever happens, happens. Oh, I was just recording all that. Yeah, but yeah, I go with the flow and whatever happens, happens. The woman tried to get me, got to tuck up the straps.
Oh my god. That was funny.
I don't know if y'all saw that. I'm pretty sure. No, it didn't. It like touched my leg once.
Yeah.
I think I got that.
I don't like that.
All right, you ready?
Yes.
Cool. All right, no more strings dangling. We should be good. Come on. These monkeys are going crazy now. Wait, come on. Lori. Yep, you're good. Woo! Yeah. So that's a key tip. If you're wearing a backpack, make sure your straps are tucked away, or the monkeys are gonna come get them. Thought I was gonna take his food. Just swinging on the swing.
Small one.
Oh, I saw it. That's tiny.
This is doggy. Doggy na pogi.
Oh, this one. Just walk. It's all about your energy.
Such a nice place here.
Right. Just hanging around.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Nothing. Me? Just hanging around.
Come on. Just walk normal. Trust me. Just walk slow.
Yeah. Was not that hard.
Get his ass. Lizard crossing. All right, that's gonna be the end of your monkey sanctuary. So what do we got next? I think we got Incense next. She's gonna go shopping for some art. But yeah, it's gonna be Ashley. Ashley is an American. She's also from upstate New York. I can't remember exactly where, but near Buffalo. But let's get after it. Okay, we're on to the next thing. Saying goodbye to Inga. Bye, Inga. Be safe. Okay. Incense workshop.
No, there's people doing
It's alright, there's a whole nother table. Jeez, 2 hours? Okay. It looks like we might not be making incense. Alright.
Oh, you have plans though.
Yeah, we're doing Waterfalls after she's done
Come back
that.
really late, so we can go to Waterfalls now, and then we'll do it after you come back. So the latest that we can do this is 6, because they close at 7.
Okay.
Yeah.
Would that work? Or is that too
So we could go.
No, because I'm gonna go to the Kreta or Kretaya.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about? Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go there.
How
Yeah.
about
Around like
at 12:30? Do you guys want to do it then?
Oh, I mean 12:30 works for me. I mean
The class itself is 1.5 hours. Yeah.
that might be much. I mean I could start it with you guys, but I don't. Hey, we're leaving when she's done to hit the waterfalls.
Right. We'll be here.
Yeah, I mean,
Are you
yeah,
gonna be here for a while? Maybe you can do it a different day with other people.
yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Because this is my last day.
Oh, okay, yeah. Need to get it done.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
today, this is the day I want to do it.
I mean, I'm not butthurt by it. Yeah, feel free. If you gotta do it, you gotta do it. So they already had a class. So now we're just gonna get some lunch. I need a coconut. Hopefully we find a place with one. And Sarah is getting her nails done. And when she's done, we're gonna go to some waterfalls.
It's good.
Take 2. We actually are doing the incense. Yeah, so they're just finishing up. They're bagging them up. And we're about to start. Should take an hour and a half. Excuse me.
the camera? I don't want to see that with the same.
I wasn't even recording yet. Oh, that's what I was saying. You gotta put your strength into it.
You need no help? No, it's okay. It's okay. Okay. This will be heavy. A little tree stump. Yeah. So how did you guys find out about this place? Do you guys
We're staying next door.
Yes.
Ah.
Yes.
So,
So just saw it.
actually found out about you guys?
Yes.
and it's convinced us all to come.
Yeah.
Thank you. There's a sacred smoke.
Okay. I don't believe I got your names. What are your names?
And Ashley.
Ashley.
Indigo.
Indigo. That's a lovely name. And what do I do?
Akil.
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 Yeah.
Did I get that right? Akil?
Akil like Achilles.
Akil. Oh, Akil. Okay, got it. I thought I heard an O at the back there. All right. So you'll be introduced to world of incense.
Yes.
And then naturally we're going to talk about what's in an incense stick, what should be in it, and the ingredients, all of that, we're going to talk about it one by one. And the benefits, properties it has, and how you can use it in your blend. We're going to give you a formula with that you can customize your incense blend. So everybody will go home with different incense sticks. And then after we talk about the ingredients, then we'll proceed to the hands-on part of the workshop, which is preparing the mixture. Once you got your ingredients ready, then we're gonna mix it all. So this part is going to be very messy. It's going to be very sticky. Fair warning, if you have any rings, you may want to take it off, but I see you guys.
I've already done.
Yeah, keep prepared. And what you want to do is to just mix the powder together.
Can I smell?
Yeah, ours is way different.
That's nice.
I love it.
Can I smell it? Yeah, hold up. I don't know if I can reach it. Not dipping into the bowls.
Yeah, I like hers a lot.
Would you like to test Bertha?
What was it?
Would you like to test Bertha?
No, I want mine to be a surprise.
Yeah, I'll wait. I'm not gonna change anything, so.
Alright.
Yeah. It is what it is. Yes. Woody. Ooh, nice. It's a lavender. Yeah. Yeah.
That's great. And then we're gonna open the water bottle. You can just push and then twist. It's child locked.
Bottled water. It's new.
This is just tap water, but if you want to make more incense by yourself, and you can switch the water to something else, like use rose water,
Yeah.
tea. Some people even use wine. This will make more layers of your incense stick. Yeah. And you can pour in gradually. So pour a little.
All of this water.
All of that.
Okay.
Yeah. Pour a little, mix, pour again, mix again.
Oh, it's like sitting on top. It's jiggling.
Wow.
It's refusing to.
Yes, combine.
Yeah.
Oh.
Get in there. Oh my gosh, that is wild.
What came out the bottom?
Yeah, it just like spilled over as a perfect ball.
How fancy.
Yeah.
Alright. Now we're just gonna wash our hands before we hand roll our incense stick.
Nice.
Can I check yours? Oh, you got a warm hands. Okay, this is also ready. Yeah.
Did not taste good, but.
And you can wash your hands outside. There's a sink, and inside the toilet as well. So when you feel that it's sticky again, that's when you want to begin. This is how the amount that you want to get. This is gonna be not too thin, not too thick either for your incense stick. You just gotta roll it like this. Call it a fat worm shape. Once you get that, you're gonna take your bamboo stick, put it on top here, push it down, pinch and close so that it's attached to the stick, right? And then when you roll, I'm gonna tell you what not to do. What you don't want to do is to do this or this. You want to roll with your whole hands. Your palm should be flat on top of that mixture. And then as you roll, you're gonna extend your arms out so that the stick spins again and again and again. And eventually one end of the stick is gonna get covered. And then you get to the shaping part. So the shaping part is pretty simple. You just gotta cut off some excess at the top, at the bottom, and then you put it vertically in front of you, and just with one hand you can just zigzag from top to bottom, and this way it'll smooth out the outer shape of your incense. And there you have it.
Wow. You make it look easy.
No, it is good. Pretty easy. Yeah, so you guys can, let's try. You can roll it. That should be good. You can begin. Yeah.
Mix again.
When you feel that it's sticky, then you can begin. Yeah.
Do you put it in the middle?
Yeah, it's best to put it in the middle. Yeah.
And do you push it in?
You can push it in and then pinch the mixture close so that it's attached to the stick. This should be great. You can begin putting your stick in.
Is this the beginner method?
Yeah, this is the beginner's method. And this is the part where you got introduced with the way the mixture works.
Is that okay?
That's great, yeah. And once you touch, you gotta roll, that's right. And you want to push on the mixture so that it spreads. There you go.
Is that going to be enough?
That should be enough, yeah, for one stick. But if you feel like you want to make a thicker incense, then you need to put more. Nice.
Just push it in. okay?
Yeah, that's okay. You can roll again so that it closes that part of the stick. Make sure you're not hovering, but really make your hands flat.
I kind of only got a tiny bit on the end. Is that?
You can cut off that part. This will make it easier for you to carry your stick around. I usually leave around like 3 fingers length at that part. At that
3
part.
at the bottom?
Yeah. Yeah, if you make your incense stick this amount, like this length, then you would be able to make around 8 sticks. But if you make it on the thicker side, then less than 8.
I like this.
Yeah, the amount should burn an hour.
And that goes in the middle here.
Yes, right in the middle.
Press down.
Yes. Nice. The first step. 8 more to go. It's or 7.
The 8 are done. Look,
So it's nice to encourage kids to do
this
that with
one's
their hands.
obviously the first one. But the rest are pretty pearled if you ask me.
Everyone wants an instant product, right? Nowadays. Wow.
Lavender coat.
Two more. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
After some decent traffic, we finally made it out here 30 minutes later. We're at Manuaba Waterfall. We got a big squad here. Outside for sure ski. Ubud. Ubudington. But yeah, we'll see if this waterfall is valid or not. I see the creek right here. No bikes or cars are. Oh. Almost stepped on a crunched rat. But yeah, hopefully this waterfall is nice. We'll see.
Yeah, have you been to Thailand? Have you been to Thailand?
Yes. Yeah. It was also nice. Like, I don't think Thailand traffic is this bad.
Yeah.
I'm sure not.
7 minutes.
Yeah, like, no. One of the islands.
7-minute walk.
We gotta do like a tour to stay in the bungalows inside by the lake.
Yeah.
It is
So
very
we
nice.
got like about a 6-minute walk till we hit the waterfall.
I hear this shit.
Yeah, this is
But I don't-
already looking amazing. Like, look at this.
Like one time, good activity. Not something to be always repeated immediately.
But I've like heard a few things, so I can still.
You're already vlogged.
Oh, this shit sounds like it's punching. Oh, nah. Oh, that feels so good, though.
Actually, now I can start.
It looks way, the lighting is way better. Yeah, so where's this food? Yeah, follow me. Huh? You want more too? You can just hit my phone with some.
Those pictures we got, hold on. Those pictures we got, insane. Bro, this looks National Geographic right now.
Yeah, ridiculous. The lighting over there was just hitting differently.
But
Sand right here.
I think we're about to go to another waterfall, and then to a little beach club thing.
Ratio.
Not even a beach club, but some shit. Mountain, or was it forest club? I guess you could call it. Sanctuary.
Yeah.
A little walk area, walk path.
Yeah, they're getting busy on this.
For really. Damn. Oh no no no.
Throw that in there.
Oh, you gotta walk through water to the waterfall team. Oh shit. Good? Huh? Yeah. Well, we'll see how deep it is.
Yeah.
I don't want you on me.
Alright.
So you take one wrong.
Actually, you want to throw my camera
Walk in water.
in the top? Or my phone in the top? Thank you. This is a real Akil's Adventures right now. Oh! Oh, cold. Oh, it's sand though. It's sand. Oh, it changed real quick. We got the squad. You got a coconut? Needed it. You got your phone? Oh yeah, take a video real quick. You can follow. Real Akil's Adventures right here. Getting that content for you. 4K. You get me? What'd you say? You said can you walk what?
Get on this rock.
Get on this what?
Should I get on this rock or no?
No, just come on.
Yeah, it's shallow.
Do not get on the rock. Yeah.
That shit's national here.
Geo.
It's quicksand. Don't stop too long.
Oh my god.
Oh, all right, we up. Yo. Hey. Got construction going on.
That shit's still heavy.
OD. Woo. Yeah, this is real good. You gonna go under that shit? Wow. Go under there. He's sweating her ass. No, thank you. We could put them on our shoes. We're both going under this shit. Yeah, yeah. 15 meters. This shit. 30 meters. Oh! Fucking hell! What? Oh, fucked up! That's just punched. Fucking hell. That's the only clip for the intro. I think we could do that. I mean, I was fake. It's not gonna kill you. Of course not, but we don't gotta get. I mean, I don't care. We can do it. I have my arm. Now that was legit. Felt too good. And now, I forgot what it's called, but Kretia. I think that's what it's called. Go there, a couple of drinks, then a group dinner. Let's get it. So we didn't end up going to the beach club or forest club, I guess you could say. Might go tomorrow, but I'm at the hostel dinner right now, and I'll show you what food we got going on. Free dinner at this hostel. This is what it's looking like right now. I'm so excited to eat. Oh, and he's got the fruit now. Let's go. I don't know what that is. Chips?